Welcome to Top Dog Web Designer. I'm here with Luna. My name's Sierra, and today I'm going to show you how to get 3 months of web hosting for only 99 cents. Yes, you heard that right. 3 months of web hosting, less than $1. Yes, less than $1. The link below and on the video will get you to this special discount through my favorite web hosting company, Siteground. Now, I'm going to show you today in the video not only how to get this free deal, but how to completely set up your website so that it's ready for you to customize and make look really professional, whether you're going for a blog, a portfolio, or a platform for your online business. So go ahead and keep watching and we'll get started. So once you follow this link, the first thing you're going to want to do is click this wonderful deal over here. You can see at the top that the 3 months of startup hosting, you're in the right spot because you see this link up here. You can get this 3 months for a 99-cent deal. You want this plan for one website. These plans are great too if you're thinking of doing multiple websites, but the deal today is for the one website plan. Click this plan. Now it'll take you to get your domain name. If you already have a domain that you've bought through GoDaddy or Gator Hosting, some other web hosting or domain name company, you can put that there. If you don't have a domain name though, you're going to want to click that in here, what you want to do. Let's say I want, hi, I love web design, or maybe I'll just say, I love webdesign.com. And then I press proceed. It's going to tell me if that's available or not. It's not available, but I could do ilovewebdesign.org, ilovewebdesign.biz, or if I really want the .com, I can change this to something else. Since I'm just doing this for a demo, I'll just put 321, see if that's available. And it is. Next, I'm going to fill out my personal information, my email, my password that I want to use for my Siteground account, where I'm from, all of that, how I'm going to pay, all of that. And then I get to pick the 3 months for the special deal to get that 33 cents per month, which is amazing, great deal. They remind you right here, it's $11.95 per month normally. Now it's only going to be 99 cents total, great deal. Your domain registration, buying your domain name, that's going to be the $15.95. You want to get this domain privacy. What this does is it protects all your personal information. Your personal information, that's your name, your home address, anything like that. We want that protected. We don't want a bunch of spammers, especially going to your email address. So you want to get that right there. You're going to confirm that you've read the rules and agreements, and you don't need to check to subscribe. And then you click Pay Now. It'll load for a little bit, and then it's going to take you to your new website page to set up. If you don't see a box at the top saying set up here, you can always go to websites up in the corner, and then it will bring you here to start and hit for your new website. You're going to click select because we want to build our new website together. We're going to use WordPress today. Then you're going to set up your login. You're going to use your email address that you would like to use. And then you're going to create a password. You'll need to remember this password so that you can log in later to be able to get into your website. This is going to be how we log in, so make sure to write both of these things down so that you can get to them later. Then we'll hit continue. We don't need this site scanner thing, so then I can just press finish. Now, because so many people are taking advantage of this great deal, the loading on the last screen will probably take a little longer than normal. If that's the case, you just want to go up to this top grayish panel up here. You're going to click on websites. When you click websites, it'll take you to your screen. Now, for yours, it'll only have the domain name you just created. So once you find that one, you will simply click Site Tools, this button right here. This is going to take you to your dashboard where you can set up everything you need for your particular website. Next, you're going to go to Security right away. We're going to go to SSL Manager. This is going to make sure our website is safe and secure. We're going to click Let's Encrypt Wildcard, another free service Siteground gives you. We'll press Get. Then once it's installed, we will click down here, enforce HTTPS, click that. Then we want to toggle this icon to blue so that it's enforced and safe for our site. Next, we can jump right into our site or plus WordPress, install and manage. As we can see down here during the setup, we already chose to use WordPress, so we can just click this little arrow to log right in to our admin panel. Now we don't need this whole start tutorial, so we'll press exit. And here we are in WordPress. Congratulations, your site is officially live. If you ever want to see what your website looks like currently, hover up here over My WordPress. Then we can click Visit Site. Looking at it now, there's really nothing there. We're going to change that, and I'm going to show you just how fast we're going to change that so that this looks beautiful and not just, well, bleh. I'll go back over here. First thing I want to go to is Appearance, then Themes. The theme is really the backdrop design backbone that I need to install for free to get the look I want for my website. You want to use the Astra theme. It is a free theme that gives you a lot of customizability and is a lightweight theme, which means it won't slow your website down. So I'm going to press Customize here in my bottom corner. This is how I'm going to pick what my website looks like and how I want it to be. One of the first things I'm going to want to fix on this site to make it look more like my blog or my business website is the logo that'll go right up here where it says My WordPress. To do that, I'm going to go to my header option, then Site Identity. Now I need to select a logo. Well, let's make a logo real quick. My favorite tool for doing this is Canva, a free site. If you're new to Canva, it'll have you sign in just with your email address for free. Then I'll press Logo. Now, the cool thing about Canva is I could just add any words I want, write anything I'd like, but I'm going to save some time today. Our goal is quick. So I'm going to look over here in their templates to see if I can pick a nice template logo that I think would look nice on my website. I'm going to say that I am making a fashion and design blog. This looks kind of catchy, kind of cute, so I'm going to pick this logo. Now I don't like the pink though, so let's change that. I want it to be maybe blue. I can adjust the color exactly how I want it. I'll go with that for now. And instead of XOXO, I'm going to do design. I don't like how big that is, so I'll go over here and change the font just how I like it. I could also change the font by dragging the design piece. There we go. And then cosmetics, I'm not doing cosmetics, so I'll just put blogging. Drag this around, the little icon, to anywhere I want. I like the way this looks now. This can be my logo. So I'm going to rename it logo. I'll press download. I'll keep it at its normal size. Put a transparent background and download. Wonderful, it's ready. Now if I go back to my WordPress site, I can select my logo. It'll prompt me to download from my computer, or I can simply click and drag the one I just made. That's the one I like. And then it asks me to crop. I'll crop it as close as I can while still retaining all of the detail. There we go. And now up in the corner, we've got my logo. It still says My WordPress here. I don't want that. So I'm going to say don't display the site title. Then I can change the size of my logo if I want it to appear bigger, smaller. That's up to you. Now this is how it's going to look on my desktop. If I click on the computer here, I can change it to a tablet. It's how it looks on a tablet. If I want to see how it looks on my phone, I can see right there. It's a little big on the phone, so I'm going to make it smaller. This is only going to change the side on my phone. There, I like that for my mobile phone view because then I could still see my menu pop-up list right here. I'm going to pick Publish to save my work. Exit out of this. Now let's get the all-important, our first page done. We need to add a new plugin. I'll go over here to Plugins, then Add New. Get a new one right over here. I'm going to look for Elementor. And I'm going to press Install Now on the Elementor Page Builder. Activate. Welcome! This is awesome. I don't need the full guide though. We're going to do this a little faster. Page, I do need a page. I'll go to All Pages. And then I don't want their sample page. I don't want their privacy policy. I want to make a nice home page. So after pressing Add Now, I've got my first page. Awesome. I'll name it something I can remember, something straightforward like home. Now I don't want to display the footer for now, and I don't want to display the title. I don't want it to say home right up there. So I'll press Publish. Publish. My home page is now live. If you click View Page down here, you'll see it's not really great. We've got our cool design logo up here, but there's nothing else going on this page right now. So we need to fix that. First thing I want to change is I don't like this sidebar over here. I want that to go away. If you like it, you can keep it, but for me, it just looks too cluttered. So I'm going to go over here again to Customize. This is how I get back to those theme tools. And I want to change the sidebar. I'm going to say the default is no sidebar. And I'm going to publish that. Wonderful. I can X out of this screen. Back to my page with my home. If I ever need to get back here, I can press Pages. Then it's going to list all the pages I have. I'll click Home. Now I'm going to click this blue button, Edit with Elementor. This is where I'm going to spend the majority of my time designing the website. In a different video, I will show you what all of these different tools can do for you. Really, the sky is the limit. Remember, this is a free tool anyone can use. You just need to know how, which I will show you how to do in another video. For today, though, we're trying to save time. So I'm going to go here to this folder button to add a template. Now on this, these are all the templates I can just download to go to my site. A couple of them have a little Pro pink button in the corner. That means I have to pay for those or upgrade my Elementor to a Pro version. I don't want to do that. I want to use the free version. So I'm just going to look at popular, and then any ones that I hover over that give me the green insert down here, those are free. I can use them. So I'll scroll through, see if I find one that I kind of just like the look of to start. Now, some of these will be better for your blog, some of these better for your businesses, some for your portfolios. It all depends on what you are looking for, what you want. But I also like the big header up here. I'm going to click this to a better look. Scrolling down, this looks like something I could work with. I'm going to press Insert. I need to connect, so I'll press Get Started. I need to simply agree. Boom. This is on my site. If I view my site right now, I'll press the preview button. This is what my website looks like. Now it's their filler text, their information, but we went from nothing to a whole site for us to ready to customize in about, what has this been, 10 minutes? Over here, how I'm going to customize it is quite simple. I'll click right here to click my section heading. And then I could pick a new picture to go in the backdrop. Now I'll show you more details on how to customize everything in a next video. For now, to show you the basics, I want to press Choose Image over here, one that actually makes sense for me. None of these pictures are mine, they just come with the template. I'll go to Upload File. The best way to get free images online that you can use for your business or your personal stuff is unsplash.com. Now I want a picture that reminds me of design. So I'm going to click Design. There's all sorts of different things, lots of different things. Oh, I like this one with the pencils. This one with the computer is also cool. When I find one I like, I will simply press the download button. That's it. It's free. I've got it down here in the corner. When I go back to Elementor Home, I'll click and drag this one up there. Insert. And now I've got my picture in the backdrop. Last thing we'll do for our header is I can simply type right in here what I want to say. My blogging site. Or I'll say, welcome to my blogging site. Learn how to be amazing. Maybe I'll change the style to maybe a bright yellow, something that pops, something fun and different. or really anything I want. The sky is truly the limit with what we're doing here. When you make the changes and you liked it, press update. Then we can go check out our site now. Here's what people will see when they come to our site. I still have a lot of customization to go through, but I have a site. It only cost me 99 cents for the hosting. I got a domain name, I've got my logo already, and I'm well on my way to creating the professional website of my dreams. Now, anytime you want back to our editing page, we'll click up here at the Elementor tab. Anytime I want to preview or see what my page is going to look like, I'll click down here at the little preview changes eye icon. Now from here you'd think, okay, this is great. This is what people will see when coming to my homepage. Not quite. You need to go back up here to WordPress, then your dashboard. Think of your dashboard as your main control place where you have all these ways to customize and control your website. We're going to go all the way down to settings and then go to reading. Now for our homepage, I don't want it to display my latest posts. You can if you want to, but I want it to display the static page, the page that we just created. I'm going to select my homepage, the one I named home. I'll click Save Changes. Now when I go up here to view my site, it'll load on that page we just created just as we see it in our editor tab. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to get 3 months of web hosting for only 99 cents through Siteground. If you would like to take advantage of this deal today, use the link on the video now. I've also posted the link in the video description for you below. If you do use this link, I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you at all. So thank you if you decide to take advantage of this deal and start your website today. Please like and subscribe to Top Dog Web Designer if you like this video, so that you can receive other content and tutorials just like this in the future. In future videos, I'll be going much more in depth on exactly how to use each piece of the Elementor site. Also, feel free to join the Top Dog Web Designers Facebook group. It's a private group where we share ideas. I share extra exclusive tips on how to design your website so it looks really professional and to customize it just to how you like. Thank you again for watching. And if you liked, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time, designers.